so I got a little problem and I'm barely getting my day started. So all right, so Joe left 2 of his tools yesterday in my car. He left his drill and his drill bits, and I'm sort of gonna really take care of that right now, sort of before I get my day started. So good morning to you guys. I'm really happy to be back with another video. If you guys are excited, hit that like button down below and subscribe to join us for more. Right now I'm sort of just gonna take care of this and probably go to the waterfall that's near my pad. I'm not really sure. I might stop by on my way over there, but let's get started, man. Oops, forgot my keys, but so I basically made it to the little canal that I was gonna come to. I've actually never been to this spot that I'm actually at right now. As you can see, the little path I came from is pretty sketchy. I don't even know if anybody else has came through this little spot where I just came through, but I just came from up there, came down here, and now I'm next to this big ass tree next to a little canal, next to some weed plants over there. I don't know what that is, but I got a text from Joe that he's about to be home in a couple minutes, so I think I'm gonna head out that way right now. But before I do, I'm gonna try and see if I can find a better spot than this, because this really isn't that nice of a spot. I'm not even sure how far. Let's go look for a better spot. Right guys, so next spot's gonna have to wait. I sort of came over to Joe's pad already. I've been chilling here for a minute now. He's working on his car, putting his power... No, what are you doing?
Yeah, my power steering pump.
Oh yeah, he's putting his power steering pump back in. We just picked it up right now. We're trying to get this shit running by, I think it's Friday the 30th. There's gonna be a meet this Friday. I think I'll have a picture up. If not, then I'll have the link to the post on Instagram on the description, so you guys can check it out. We're gonna have a CarMeet with TSK crew, and it's in collaboration basically with us, and it's gonna be our first meet, I think, since when was the last one? About a month ago, maybe.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah,
about a month ago.
yeah, I think I was about a month ago. Anyways, oh no, I didn't record a video for that one. Damn, I was about to say go check it out, but I don't even have a video for that one. But you can check out the DSK kickback video. That's good enough, man. Anyways, we're gonna work on this and hopefully get some work done today, man.
Recording. So guys, it's Taco Rick. Took over the vlog. Manny's not recording anymore. I am. So the big dog. What are we doing to this Lexus, bro? I think Manny already said what he's doing to it though. What are we doing, boy?
Power steering pump.
Power steering pump.
Put that bitch in.
And the cam? Oh wait, I'm sorry. That's not supposed to be in the video.
That's
not supposed to be in the video, huh? Fuck, my bad, G. But yeah, guys.
But it's finally in.
Burnout machine.
At least
it's finally in. That's right. Yeah. You guys are thinking. Alright, guys. So you guys know the OGs, the Treasure Street Kings. You guys all know it originated from this car. You ready for this? This fucking Yonke has not been moved because of Joe's fault. Joe, why this thing has not been moved? I'm calling you on the spot right now.
What?
Why has that not been moved? Tell the people why.
Shut up.
And why, fool? This guy lost the damn keys to his damn fucking beast. He can't start this 5-0. I say this guy should start as 5.0. I think the key would be worth it. I mean, he started it, but that thing would be a beast. Now he doesn't know what to do. Look. He's just standing around. He doesn't know what to do. That was your course.
I think you recorded that.
What do you do? I don't know.
So we had Taco Rick come by and visit us, but he already left. And we just need Joe to finish up what he's doing.
Got the pigtail, new pigtail. This one was all dry rotted. I don't even know where it went. That shit. Alright. And then my alternator, just put that shit back in and it should be good, back and running.
Alright. You forgot 2 bolts? So you gotta bring it back up?
Yeah.
2 bolts where?
My power steering wheel. Hey man, it happened.
We forgot 2 bolts. Wow. He forgot 2 bolts. Alright, so everything's in. Alternator, fuel pump. We're about to get this thing started and see if it turns on real quick.
Well, didn't we use them?
The cables are over here.
Where?
They're right here, sir.
Ooh, I was like asking you for them, nigga, and you were just like...
Sorry, I was over here vlogging and shit. But yeah, we got everything in. All we need is to jump it real quick.
There.
All right, moment of truth. Yeah, I know this was excited. Look at this one, damn. All right, so let's go. So excited about Friday, man. All right, so now that we got the Lexus back basically on again, I guess I'm not really sure if it's gonna be running yet. I still think it needs a few little details, but I think we're for sure gonna have it ready for this week's meet. So this meet is going down on Friday. Like I said, I should have more information down in the description. I'll link it to TSK's post. And again, this meet is in collaboration with TSK and DSK. So make sure you guys go check that out.
Fixing this real quick. Nah.
Yeah.
So I just finished everything up. Got the new power steering pump. Alternator, gotta check if that's working. Just fixed this little leak I had. I have to go buy this part at the dealer. Nobody else has this. So I just keep fixing it for now. But gonna need to get it soon. Cause this is my main vacuum line for my brakes. Tomorrow, what are we gonna do? Wash the cars in the morning.
Alignment shop.
The alignment shop.
Gonna hit the alignment shop and get the fuck up out of here, man. It's been a long day, but we're getting finished. This one just needs a couple more things and we should be good for Friday. I'm just head home right now because I've been here for a while and I kind of need to go rest up, man. I need to work today, so I'm just say later to these fools. Later, bro. Later, bro. Fucking thought. So that's it for this video. Catch you guys on the next one.